When you have to make a difficult decision, I think one of the things to remember is that you have to ask yourself how you will live with the consequences or whatever of the solutions you go for. So picture yourself a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and ask yourself, what are the likely consequences of making this decision or that decision? It gives you that wider perspective on your choices instead of going with what you desire or what you wish for. You will go with the kind of world you want to create for yourself and for the other people around you. And that is a very much better basis for making the big decisions in our lives. So take some pause for thought and ask yourself what you can live with. Ask yourself what other people can live with. And ask yourself how much hard work you are prepared to see through the consequences of this decision and of that decision. And all will be clear before you know it. Take good care.